trying to please me. You never let me down before. I don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I will not leave you in times of trouble. We never could we come this far. No, no, no. I took the good times, I take the bad times, I take you just the way you are. Don't go trying sign affection. Don't change the color of your hair, baby. You are wasting my unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care, I don't want clever conversation. Don't want to work that hard. No, no, no. I just want someone to talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. Whether we let tempting you believe me the way I believe in you. Yeah, yeah. I said I love you, and that's forever. This I promise for my heart. No, no, I could not love you any better. I love you just the way you are. I don't want clever conversation. Don't want to work that hard. No, no, no. I just want someone to talk to. I want you just the way